let's see. Let's see what happens. All right, so we got 5x minus 2 squared is going to equal 10. Do we all agree with that? What do you want to do first? Let's just see how this plays out. Take the square root of both sides. That makes sense. All right, so let's do it to it. We're going to have 5x minus 2 is equal to, I need to check my 10, right? So 1 and 10, 2 and 5. I'm good, right? So I can just put positive, negative, square root of 10. Everybody agree with that? So far, so good? All right. What do you want to do now? I'm still going to add 2 on both sides, right? Because I'm just solving for x. So if this were 5x minus 2 is equal to 10, we would just add 2 to both sides, right? So that's what we're going to do. Add 2 to both sides. I'm going to get 5x is equal to, what am I going to write over here? 2 plus or minus square root of 10. How many of you wrote that on that side? 2 plus or minus square root of 10. Okay, not bad. Now what do we got to do? We got to divide by 5. See why inverse operations are so important? Now we got to divide by 5. Here these are going to cancel out. What do you think my final answer is going to be? X equals 2 plus or minus square root of 10 divided by 5. These can't simplify. This can't pull out. There's nothing I can do. My life is good. Anybody get that answer?
I like kind of that.
And you thought you were wrong, didn't you? Did you get the answer and think you were wrong? Okay, it's okay. Do you see why this is going to work? Anybody try to do this and get square root of 2? Like you got 10 divided by 5 and got square root of 2? Anybody? Okay. Can't do that. Are we good? Did you? Oh, you split it? You did 2 over 5 plus or minus the square root of 10 over 5?
Yeah.
That would work if those simplified. So like if this were a 6 and that was simplified to 1/3 plus or minus the square root of 10 over 6, then that would work. Okay? Does that make sense? So that's not wrong. It's just because nothing can happen, you're probably just going to see it this way. Questions, comments, or concerns? Can you handle ones like this?
Yeah.
Do you need to do one more by yourself? Are you sure you're about to do a lot on your homework? Okay. I'm going to trust you on it.